I'm just kind of all over the place with this vlog, but I just bought these two paints right here. I just stopped at Advanced Auto Part. But yeah, today's a lot nicer than the other night. Quite a few cars in here. It's a lot warmer than working outside, so it's kind of worth the drive. I still feel like this isn't enough light. Like, I installed these for my dad a while ago, so I did like 1, 2, 3, hold on. I did 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lights all the way around, because all he had was like that one, and that one up there. Like, that's all he had was 3 lights, and 2 of them are dead. I don't know, I was thinking he probably could use like some more lights, maybe like LED ones, like lower on the wall with like some covers or something on each side. I don't know, it's just a big garage. Like, it really needs some bright lights in here. Got the heat stuff, got the little pulley, got the belt, got the braided line. And I kind of showed you guys already this in the last vlog, so if you guys missed that vlog, kind of just go back and watch it. But basically I got everything to put heat back in the car and to put AC back in the car. Let's go over here, uncover the car, and yeah, here's my dad's glasses. He kind of just buys these cheap like $5 glasses because he keeps losing all his glasses everywhere. There's the Civic engine, and I think I showed you guys a couple times already, but we got a 98 coupe and we removed the engine, and we're gonna do a swap on it. So this one's for sale, this single cam. It works perfect. I just haven't even posted online, honestly. But yeah, let me take this cover off. I usually just uncover it maybe like up to here, and then I just uncover the other side kind of just like halfway, because this thing ain't going nowhere. And I might actually have to move the car back, but you know what, we're gonna leave it there. I'm just gonna push this engine that way. Alright, so now that the engine's out the way, here's the RSX. I kind of always have to like introduce my car, because there's always new people to the channel, but it's a 06 Acura RSX Type S. Yes, guys, it's a Type S. I know that I debadged it. It doesn't have anything on the back, but yeah, it's a Type S. We're gonna go ahead and take off the front bumper, take off the driver's side fender. We might have to take off the driver's side headlight. Probably have to remove like the T-bracket that's up top. Probably the radiator. Yeah, a couple things that we have to remove off the car. The fender liner on this side. Oh, both wheels need to come off too. I think that might be it, and then we'll have enough room to do whatever we gotta do. You know what, guys? I just noticed, well, I just remembered that I gotta pretty much clean this. This is for the AC thing. And then the rack and pinion, I wanted to paint that. So that's the reason I bought this paint over here. And I actually went with silver. I was gonna do black, but screw it. And I wanted to do the VHT, because that's what I used last time, and it stuck really good and it worked well, but they didn't have a silver that I wanted. They didn't have this one. So I kind of just went with this one. It says engine enamel primer with ceramic, so it says it holds up to 500 degrees. So I don't know, we'll see. We're gonna try it, see if it sticks good. And this is a rack off of a EP3, I think 2002. So basically I'm gonna take this off my stock one, so I'm gonna use my stock, I don't know, rack, and then this right here I gotta clean up really good. So I just wanted to sandblast that, clean up really good, but I think I could just use a wire brush, like one of these, and spray it down really good and just clean it up. I think I got another wire brush over there that I could put on a drill and kind of just use sandpaper and stuff, and I think I can clean it up pretty good and then paint it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that today, and then the next vlog you guys watch will be us installing the AC. So, and I know, guys, this vlog was all over the place, but I'm just trying to bring you guys along on everything I do.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, fake games, staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice till I got a nosebleed. Money on the floor, can't get cold feet. Took a L, should've put it in the offering. Lord, forgive me for my sins, don't know of me. Scary thoughts, I got scary thoughts. Lost control, now I'm taking charge. Breaking bills, friends breaking off. You could be the youngest, I'm the dawn. Kiss the ring, nah. In the scene like GOT. Stay awake, don't sleep. Like Jon Snow, get RIP. Remember those days, those L's.
Alright, so everything's pretty much done. Martin just got here. Usually he shows up whenever I'm here. I'm hardly here alone anymore. But he's right there. We need to sign the paint on, so we're kind of just putting these floor mat paper things down so we can paint on top of that. So this one's done. It's all nice and dry. We hit it with the compressor, and let me see. All the brackets are done. So this one, this one here, this one over here. So we're just gonna kind of just place them on the floor like that, and we kind of just masked everything off. So like the boot right here, the little rubber boots, I don't know, this little thing right here, the top of this I'm gonna paint black, and then the little connector. Pretty much what we care about is the top part. So like this right here is gonna be seen, the back side not so much, and then this part right here. So that's probably like the area that we care about the most. All right, so one more little update. We kind of just hung them up here, kind of like that. Those are all hung up like that, and that's set up like that. I just gotta get some more paper, put underneath that, and then he could get started. Do it a day at a time, slowly. That's kind of how I built this car, just taking my time. So there's no rush, and I'm gonna place this right here. Alright guys, so Martin's finishing up, kind of just doing that. We got to do one more layer on that thing. I think that's the tensioner, or I think that's what it's called. And then this is the bracket for something. I just know I got to paint that. So I almost forgot to paint that and that down there. This one I don't think you really see though. This either goes on the little compressor thing or this goes on the alternator. I don't know. I don't really remember. Then you got the brackets for the rack and pinion. This one. There's that. Came out really nice. We really didn't care about the backside because you're just not gonna see it. Really, you're not really gonna see this period anyways. But this one I kind of cared a little more, so give you guys a nice close-up. Came out really good. This side's pretty good. The only thing we gotta do is take this off, and I'm gonna paint this black. So I'm just gonna rough it up. After this dries, maybe tomorrow or something. After this dries, or maybe today, I don't know, I might do that today. So I have to take this off, maybe sand it down a little bit, and then paint this black. I'm gonna paint this black right here. So I thought I was gonna get a lot farther today, but I'm not. I think I'm gonna stop right here. I gotta let this stuff dry. I really can't do the AC thing unless this stuff is pretty much dry. So I want to give it a complete day, and then tomorrow, I think tomorrow I might come and actually do the AC thing. So the next vlog I put out, that's definitely going to be the AC tuck kit, and probably I might do heat also with it, with that video. So yeah, that'll be that. So like I said before, we just got to remove this thing right here, and then that's where the AC is going to go. It's going to be routed out through here, through the fender, and then to the front. I just got to reinstall that thing here, that little pulley thing, whatever you want to call it, the tensioner. And then yeah, with the K-tune pulley, quite a few things in the way before I could get started. So definitely the radiator, I got to push that aside or completely remove it. So yeah, we got some work ahead of us, but should be good, should be fun, and I should be able to show you guys how to do that. Also, we're going to do the rack and pinion, which you guys saw we painted, so that'll be part of that. I just got to remove the inners out of this, and this little bracket here, this little slider bracket, whatever, I'm gonna put it on the other one, and that should be pretty good, man. Should be looking good. I don't know, it's just part of the process. We're gonna get through it. So yeah, that's the plan for the next vlog, is to do all that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And if you guys are new to the channel, there is a bunch of videos that I made on just tucking and just getting your engine bay nice and clean. I'll come back over here so you guys can see it. If you're new to the channel and you want to get your engine bay kind of like that, I have links down below in the description which shows you, I pretty much made videos on everything. So eventually I will have a video for your fuse box relocation, and eventually maybe I'll have a video for maybe a couple other things we can tuck away. But for now, man, check out the videos, they're down in the description. There's a link for a lot of stuff you guys can use, and it doesn't just have to be RSX. You could use it towards like a Civic or whatever car you have, man. You could apply that. So yeah, I'm gonna head out, let this stuff dry, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.